Hello guys, today I'm going to be folding my origami wand. Someone requested it, so this is what I came up with. It's a quick and easy model here. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper like this. And then you want to fold it in half. It's already folded to make the square. Okay, then you want to fold it in half again. Okay, like so. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to bring this bottom corner right here to that center line. Okay, like that. And unfold. And then you want to fold just a tiny bit at the top. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and now you want to bring this to top edge right here to the center line about 3 times. Okay, so first like this, and the second time. Okay, and one more time like so. Okay, and now you want to flip it over to the front, and you see that center crease line right there, and that bottom crease line that we folded before. You want to fold it right in between the middle. So make these two crease line touch. Okay, hold it right in the middle, and make sure both of the crease line touches. Let me see. Okay, yeah, like so. Then you're gonna zigzag fold it back forward. Like so. Then you're gonna fold a little bit above that corner. So just around there. Same thing here. And where that corner is, just fold that triangle down. And yeah, fold that in. Then you want to fold the edge. You want to flip it over first, fold the edge right here to the center line, okay? For here, you don't have to go all the way up. To fold the edge to the center line, okay? Like that. Then you want to open this up a little bit. Like that. Then you want to make some kind of bulge in the middle for the handle. Like shape out the handle, then and pinch the bottom as well. Okay. Somewhat like that. So yeah, here's my origami wand. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.